A presentation of database system for telco industry, presented by Racusa, George Fermo, and Cloyd. New business process. Customer record and services will go through 3 phases of the process, mainly sales, project and delivery, and operations. Under sales, you will see the customer information, customer contracts and agreement, availed enterprise network services. Under project and delivery, you'll have project workforce defined, identify products and suppliers, project and delivery timeline. And in operations, you will see the project or delivery completed. If it's yes, it goes to the help desk and support, and then to the maintenance and monitoring. New deployment architecture. We have 3 different tiers of this architecture, namely desktop tier, where you have the web browser, the application tier, where you have the application server, web services, form services, concurrent processing server, and in the database tier, you'll have the database server. This is a sample of the data dictionary. As you can see, you'll have the required fields from the account name to the country, account ID, customer contact, and customer type. Under contracts, for example, you'll have the account ID, the customer contract length, contract status, contract start date, and contract end date. However, the service rendered and country is not required. These are the installation table in the sold product. Under project and delivery, you'll have the employees as an example, where you have the employee ID, the last name, first name, and job function, and group as the required fields. And under products, of course, you'll have the product, supplier code, product type, order date, delivery date, managed by, status, and the order status of the product. Under the supplier and or vendor, you'll have the field of supplier code, the supplier name, the location, contact number, email address, and the contact name as a required field. And in operations, you'll have the incident table. You'll have the incident reference. This reference is the ticket reference for the customer's requests or customer incidents, concerns in general, and it will be the point of reference for the priority level and the assigned employee ID at the same time. Under actions, of course, you still have the incident reference, and that is linked to the incident table for its reference. The objective. This information will help maintain the customer information in terms of monitoring their service incidents and service requests. The system will also keep track of the status of all products deployed and installed to the customers. The scope and limitation. The authorized user should be able to perform the following tasks in this module. He should be able to add, delete, update customer record, and as well as add, delete, update product record, and add incident reference and update it. This is an example of the processing control in adding a new customer record, where you have the account manager as the user, and you can be able to input customer details, can click the Save button to save the record and confirm the message if the customer was successfully added to the database. This is how you delete a customer record as an example. Still, the user is the account manager, where you can choose an existing customer record to be deleted, and then the function will provide confirmation to the record if it's already deleted from the database. This is another example for updating the customer record. Still, the account manager is the user, where he can do whatever he wants on the customer records, on the existing customer record, where they can update the values of the customer details and save it. This is a generated report from the database under MySQL. Down at the bottom, you would be able to see the result of the generated data that came from the MySQL database. This is a test case and the test result for the customer. This is an adding customer record, where you have the admin as the only user who can input the customer profile and save it to the record. To conclude, given the proposed design compared to the existing database, we recommend this design to be applied and implemented since the proposed design is more efficient, it is more stable, and it performs better. Thanks for listening.